In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Avios on American Airlines. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the Avios program is part of the loyalty system or loyalty program available on British Airways. It allows you to redeem these Avios to get discounts and special offers through their flight partners. However, because it is their loyalty program, it isn't available on American Airways directly. What I'm trying to say is that if you go over to the American Airways website or mobile app and you try to look for flights here, so you will include the origin, you will include the destination, and you go through the standard process of finding the flights. What you will notice is that even after you include all of these details and you proceed, there will be no option to redeem Avios directly through here. So while it is still possible for you to use Avios on American Airlines, this process must be done through British Airways, as weird as that may seem. British Airways also operates with American Airlines, so what you have to do is find a specific flight that is operated by American Airways on British Airways. So go over to the British Airways website, and if you browse through flights, eventually you will be able to find this icon here. So as you can clearly notice, this specific flight here that I'm highlighting is operated by American Airlines, which means that as long as you go over to the British Airways website and you choose an American Airlines flight from here, so choose any of the fares, for any flight that you see operated by them, you will be able to sign in to use Avios. So as you can see on the specific flight operated by American Airlines, there is the option to save with Avios. This is something that you will not be able to do directly through American Airlines, so you have to do this process through British Airways like I'm demonstrating here. So just click the option to log in to save with Avios, include your British Airways account, and then you will be able to redeem your Avios. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Avios on American Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.